May ranking points.
Yes, Mary. When you have a national championship, for example, Philippines, so you have performance points and placing points.
Yeah.
But for example, if I go to Hong Kong championships, I don't have placing points. So tayo may placing points sa national championships, yung first place.
And performance points.
And performance points. So performance points, syempre there's a ranking, may table doon na,
100.
for example, John Lee's earlier, no, 783, so around 1,100, so plus placing points. So this definitely will help John Lee, no? Kasi normally you get the top 5 highest, and the lowest of John Lee this date is 760. I mean 761. Yeah. So within the last year and this year, no, there's a period. So itong championships will definitely increase John Lee's rank. So yun yung the reason why itong mga Olympic hopefuls din competing in our own championships.
Okay.